Have you ever explored the bustling world of finances where fortunes can be made and lost in seconds? The stock exchange is the heart of this vibrant marketplace, a venue where investors engage in buying and selling shares of publicly traded companies. Imagine a dynamic arena filled with excitement and opportunity, akin to a vibrant market bustling with voices and activity, where ownership of businesses changes hands as easily as produce in a grocery store. When people purchase stocks, they step into the shoes of shareholders, obtaining a piece of a company's journey. Picture the moment when you acquire a share in an emerging tech firm. You're not just buying paper, but investing in innovation, growth, and potential profits. The allure of seeing your investment grow in tandem with the company's success is what drives many into this electrifying world, where the value of their shares can surge or dip based on market dynamics. Navigating through the stock exchanges of the United States, one cannot overlook the prominence of the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq. Here lies the stage for behemoths like Apple and Amazon, symbols of modern entrepreneurship. These companies initiate their journey on the exchange through an initial public offering, or IPO, where they open their doors to investors. As these shares hit the market, a whirlwind of buy and sell orders begins, transforming aspirations into tangible transactions, overseen by brokerage firms that act as intermediaries. Throughout the trading day, stock prices fluctuate like a lively dance, rising and falling based on supply and demand. Envisage a seesaw, where the weight of economic indicators, company performance reports, and investor sentiments tilt prices up or down. This intricate dance not only allows companies to raise the capital needed for growth, but also bestows investors with opportunities to maximize their wealth. Yet delving into this captivating realm requires caution. The stakes are high and volatility is inherent. Understanding the market forces at play is essential for any aspiring investor. Entities like the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission maintain a watchful eye, ensuring fairness and transparency, safeguarding the interests of investors amidst the ebb and flow of the market.